Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the controller slash gamepad not working for Elden Ring NIGHTREIGN. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to Steam. From Steam, what you can do is go ahead and go over to Steam and then go over to Steam settings. Once Steam settings are open, you want to make your way down to controller, and then from controller you want to go ahead and turn off two settings. The first setting you want to disable is enable Steam input for Xbox controllers, and then also disable enable Steam input for generic controllers. Once these two settings have been disabled, that is the first solution. You can go ahead and X out of Steam settings, go over to library, start up Elden Ring NIGHTREIGN, and then you can check to see if that helps fix the issue. Now the second method you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager in the search bar, look for human interface devices, which should be right here. Now from here you want to go ahead and look for your Xbox or PlayStation controller, whatever you're using. Once you find it, right click on it, hit properties, make your way over to driver, and then from driver just simply disable the device, and then after a few seconds just re-enable the device. Once that is also done, you can go ahead and X out of the device manager, and that should also help fix the issue. You can always try restarting your PC as well, and once you do all of these methods, you guys are good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.